more minutes until we go live. Pow, pow, pow. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. Let's talk crypto, y'all, in 2 minutes. Boom shakalaka. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and we are live with another live stream about cryptocurrency. Today, the Nakamoto upgrade is activated. Absolutely unbelievable. And we are seeing some of the tokens in that ecosystem pump. A little less of a sell-off. Now, Stacks is coming down today, but I think that's because Bitcoin slipped to the pits of doom overnight, breaking back below $60,000. And that's okay, guys. I'm not too worried about it. I don't think you should be worried about it either. I've actually got some good news, considering that right now we are seeing a red August. That actually brings some good news in my mind. Shout out to Waldo Crypto, shout out to Somonth and Terry C and John 316 and Killer Dragon with the Breath of Fire. OG Jerry, It's Summers in the chat. All y'all, welcome back. Welcome back, everybody. 25 viewers, 5 likes. Let's get those likes up and let's talk about that beautiful thing called Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, let's do it. No coffee today. I might have fooled you, though. Bringing the energy still. More aguas. Actually, had a hard time falling asleep last night because the coffee was too strong yesterday. Maybe you could tell. Maybe you didn't, but maybe you could tell. Anyway, guys, Bitcoin did break down, so we got to talk about why did Bitcoin crash? You know, what is going on? Decent, makes sense. I mean, not a crazy, terrible move. Could we see more lows? Well, more move to the downside here? We could. Interestingly enough, and I put it in the comments section, pinned in the chat for you. Well, pinned in the chat is an affiliate link, but I also got a vote for you guys. Do you think that the NVIDIA earnings today will pump or dump the crypto market? 53% of you guys say it will pump it. 40% of you guys say it will dump it. And 7% of you guys voted that NVIDIA has no meaning to crypto. Now, I do agree with that sentiment in a way, except unfortunately, it's not really playing out that way. I mean, the interconnectedness between NVIDIA and crypto is kind of funny. I mean, if NVIDIA sells off and S&P 500 sells off, then crypto could sell off too. So it's just something to be aware of, nothing to panic about. But I'll tell you what I think as we kind of go through this video about NVIDIA. I've got a couple things pulled up. There you go. We're going to talk about NVIDIA and the S&P and NVIDIA. We're going to talk about a lot. So buckle up. buckle up, put your helmet on, click, and let's talk about crypto. Okay, I don't know why we're putting a helmet on, but maybe because you feel like you hit your head. You can't believe that Bitcoin is below $60,000 today. Well, we talked about this, guys, and we were looking at some pretty commonsensical levels, and this is it. I mean, I told you guys if Bitcoin if Bitcoin breaks below this blue band, well, then we're going to come a little bit lower. Now, we could come all the way down to 52K. That's true. We could come down to 52K. And matter of fact, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wicks we've had since we've been trading in this range. 6 wicks, if you want to count that. We've come below this blow line. So could Bitcoin come down to 48, 49, 50,000? Yeah, it could. However, I don't think that it will. I'd be surprised, if Bitcoin came below 55. I just don't feel like we're going to come that low. I feel like this is just fear in the traditional market, fear, I guess, on the NVIDIA earnings, and just also August, September, not the best months for crypto historically. And that's not just conjecture, okay? Okay, not just conjecture, okay? So it's not, because, again, here we go. August, the average gains in August is plus 1%, and the average gains is actually losses in September of down 4%. But then October, November, we could be excited for that. Now, I'll tell you this. This is the good news. Shrouded in the doom and gloom of a Bitcoin crash today. Here's the good news. Just looking at this, and this is not the greatest thing to go off of, but it's something to go off of. It's all we got. Historically, if you have a red August, what happens in September? Well, there's a green one after a red. Here's a red month. There's a green September. There's a red August. There is a green September. I'm going to cut to the chase here. No time where we have seen a green August have we ever seen a green September. Green August, red September. Green August, red September. Green August, red September. Green August, red September. Or excuse, what am I doing? Sorry. Green August, red September. Got mixed up my brain. Maybe I did need coffee. But in no time have we ever seen a green August that has resulted in a green September. So if you want the bull market to go up and you want September to be bullish, there are many times where we've seen September slightly bullish and then October and November and December continuing. Boom. There you go. 4 green months in a row. 4 green months in a row. 4 green months in a row. Could we see that again? Yeah, I mean, we could. We could really see it. I think that Bitcoin is due for the breakout. Now, August is looking pretty red. We've got 3 days left in August. So maybe NVIDIA earnings come out. What do you think, Servando Estrada in the chat? Legacy Legends Min. He says the power of coffee. The power of coffee is real, but the power of Bitcoin's realer. Okay? And so if we can see, if this is a red August, and I think it's going to be a red August at this point, I don't know if we're going to take 9% back in the next 2 or 3 days. We could. I don't think we will. I lean bullish, but it takes a little bit of time. Again, NVIDIA could be the catalyst to change my mindset on that, right? And if NVIDIA booms the market, well, then Bitcoin could just explode again. Explode! That'd be great. But the cool thing is every time we've seen a green September, every single time we've seen a green September, it has come from a red August. Okay? So good news. Red August, green September. Red August, green September. Red August, green September. And this is kind of maybe what it looks like, right? I mean, this is like 2016 is kind of like 2024 in my mind. Because 2024 is our Bitcoin halving year, and the year after is typically the best bull market. Maybe we're going to have a boom here October, November, December, right? But I think things should be turning around relatively soon. Boom shakalaka! John 316 loved that one. So boom shakalaka. Get ready for a bullish September for Bitcoin. Maybe. I hope. We'll see. Let's look at the big gainers, big losers on the day before we get into some of the big breaking news. Got 42 viewers to kick this thing off. 13 likes. Do me a favor. If you enjoy the content, tap the like. Just tap it too, and say boom shakalaka, okay? If you hit the like, say boom shakalaka in the chat. How about that? Killer Dragon says, instead of coffee, energy drinks is better. It's like you like your full throttle. I like Red Bull. I'm a Red Bull guy. with the sugar, but maybe I should get some Red Bulls. Gives you wings. That's what I hear anyway. We like to have a little bit of fun as we, talk about some of the crypto news. So anyway, today, what are the big gainers? Big losers? Servando Estrada says smash a like. I agree. I'll skip an ad for you guys. Boom. Skipped it. Boom shakalaka. Theme of the day. Today, Dogs is up. Toncoin's up. Why are these up? A little bit. Toncoin's barely up. Well, good news. Pavlov, what's his name? Boom. Telegram co-founder, CEO Pavel Durov has been released from police custody and is now being transferred to court. So he's going to get a court case. Let's see how this court case plays out for this guy. But I would say that this guy's fate in the short term has a lot to do with the fate of Dogs, which is I believe this is I think it's a meme on Ton, maybe. I know it's affiliated with Toncoin in some way. I got to look into it more. Heck, let's look into it now. Why not? We got all the time in the world. Bufflink says boom shakalaka. Killer Dragon says boom shakalaka. That means they smashed a like, did you? Dogs. It's got a big exchange listings, and Dogs is a vibrant community-driven initiative built on the Ton blockchain. It's a meme. There you go. This could be the first billion-dollar meme on Ton. And it had a big retracement. This is probably going to be the first billion-dollar meme on Ton. Had a big retracement. Got close to $1 billion at one point. Did it ever hit $1 billion? Got close. Big discount on it right now. Maybe something if you're interested in Toncoin. Why is it pumping today? Again, because of this news about Pavel Durov. I say the guy's name wrong. Anyway, Toncoin's up a little bit. Maybe going to get a boost up today. Let's look at Bitcoin, throughout the day to see if that breaks out. Then I think, our altcoins can start shaking again and moving. Popcat has just been pretty strong over the last week or two. It seems it's been up here. Render, Aave, Floki. Not a lot is up today. Most things are down, matter of fact. Look at this. BRC20 token. Buy the rumor, sell the news event did kind of happen with the Nakamoto upgrade release deal. Down 14% today, but this is BRC20, not quite associated with Stacks, but still I think it's kind of getting price movement based on Stacks. You can see Stacks is down today, so we did have a buy the rumor, sell the news event a little bit with Stacks, but it's kind of really more so related to the Bitcoin drop, in my opinion. That's my thought on it anyway, but these are big coins, guys. Maker is going to do well in the bull market. Sui's probably going to do well in the bull market. Ejective's probably going to do well. Matic, Stacks, Phantom, a lot of these coins in the top 100 that you're looking at that are down double digits today. Congratulations, my friends. You know what time it is. It's DCAing opportunity time, my friend. Boom, shakalaka. Legacy Legendsman, you agree? He says, what's the new narrative for this year's pump? AI memes? AI and memes, brother. Gaming is hot. RWA is hot. Politify is hot. Politify is probably going to be hot here through the election. And then that's probably going to be cooked goose. Maybe. Maybe not. But memes are huge. Solana's still huge. AI is huge. Gaming's huge. These are the hot categories. These do not lie. This is probably based on search results. Okay, guys? We got 50 viewers, 18 likes. Do me a favor, smash the like. Bufflink says, Dogs had an extremely big airdrop that crashed the Ton chain. It could drop if everyone sells. Very interesting. Got to be careful with the memes, guys. Memes are big risk. Memes are big risk. But let's get into some of the news. First off, we talked about this, so good thing. Maybe a bearish August turns into a slightly bullish September, but I'm not going to get my hopes up for a very bullish September because we've never had a September that's pumped over 6%, so we'll keep that in mind. But Uptober is called Uptober, aka October. It's got its name for a reason, so we can continue to look out for that. In the meantime, why do we come down? Greedy long leverage traders. My friends, be careful with the leverage, but if you want to use it, you can sign up for Blowfin, a no KYC required exchange, pinned in the comment section for you guys on the chat. And if you do deposit $2,000, that's $300 for free you're going to get for the futures trading. That's kind of cool. So check it out if you guys want to trade. But please be careful because yesterday, $218 million worth of longs, bullish Bitcoin traders got liquidated across a variety of exchanges. $115 million worth on Binance. But, keep an eye out on liquidations. That is why we're down today, along with potential fear of September, probably, along with potential fear of NVIDIA earnings, which I think the NVIDIA earnings are going to be great, probably. And personally, I'll just talk about it here right now. Here we go. CNBC is reporting this. Let's talk about it. Bitcoin falls for a fourth day, dipping below $60,000 as investors brace for NVIDIA earnings. This is real. People are concerned about this. People are thinking about this. But it's kind of silly because NVIDIA is a fantastically strong company, and its earnings are probably going to beat expectations, I'm going to think, or match expectations, because they keep beating expectations. They just keep beating expectations. Now, if they don't beat expectations, maybe we're in for a little bit of a dip. Black Sea has been tweeting about this. If NVIDIA earnings are lackluster, then S&P 500 could fall. Crypto could fall. Maybe we come back below $50,000. I don't want to see it. I don't think we're going to see that. But people are looking at NVIDIA today, and I want to remind you guys this. We are at a critical point for the S&P 500 too. This is a little bit of a double top area, okay? We want to break to a new all-time high. We've had 3 bullish weeks for S&P 500 in a row. Remember this crash that everybody was freaking out about it? We totally, completely recovered exactly as I predicted. I thought this would be wiped out pretty quickly. I thought this was a bunch of fake fear and FUD. We're pumping back up. I think we're going to take a new all-time high in the S&P 500 sooner rather than later, though September is a scary month for the traditional market as well. So we'll have to keep our eye on the prize here. And so NVIDIA earnings could affect this today. Now, right now, NVIDIA is looking double toppy too. NVIDIA almost looks exactly like the S&P 500, or the S&P 500, it looks almost exactly like NVIDIA. If these break out to new highs, Bitcoin could be doing it too, guys. It really could be. So we'll keep an eye out for the earnings today. I don't exactly know when the earnings are coming out. Probably later today, probably around market close or something like that. But here's some other good news you got to keep in mind. Now, we got 56 viewers, only 20 likes. Guys, do me a favor, get those likes up to 50. I know there's 50, 60. We can get those likes up. Super easy to do. Really helps the channel. We did the math yesterday. I spent 150 days of my life with Black Sea producing content for you guys. So if you're into that, smash the like button. That's a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of energy. Time away from the wife. So big shout out to Mrs. Crypto Kip for hanging in there with all the time suck from YouTube, which she loves it. She loves it. We all love it. Boom shakalaka. So let's talk about this. Bitcoin network Stacks begins rollout of speed boosting Nakamoto upgrade. I think a lot of people are going to start talking about Stacks. I told you guys for a very long time, I think Stacks is going to be one of the top blockchains out there, aka Bitcoin, right? But layer 2 solution for Stacks, it's common sense, guys. Bitcoin network Stacks getting an article from Decrypt today. Decrypt's a pretty big crypto publication. Bitcoin scaling network Stacks will get a 120x speed jump in confirming transactions, developers say, of the Nakamoto upgrade. So after months of delay, yes, there was a big delay with it. We were looking forward to it earlier this year. I think it was April we were looking at this upgrade coming. They postponed it, which I think was a smart move. Do it right the first time, right? Do it right the first time. After months of delay, Bitcoin Layer 2 network Stacks is finally activating its anticipated Nakamoto upgrade. Highly anticipated, might I add. A change expected to boost transaction speeds of 120x magnitude. The upgrade, which began its activation sequence on Wednesday today, will decouple Stacks network block production from Bitcoin itself. This will boost block production by 120 times, speeding up confirmation times from Bitcoin's 10-minute average to mere seconds. Just like a Solana, just like a Cardano, just like all those fast blockchains that everybody loves. Now, it's not going to be instantaneous. It's not as fast as Solana. But 0.04 seconds, 0.4 seconds, or 4 seconds. 4 seconds is all you need. Heck, 15 seconds, 20 seconds is all you need. I could deal with a minute. 10 minutes was tough. But once it's going to go down to under 4 minutes, or under 4 seconds, right? Under 4 seconds. All right, we're going to go down to mere seconds. That's going to be huge. Now, it's one of these things, we'll believe it when we see it. We'll believe it when we see it. But we're very much looking forward to this upgrade. Stacks operators have the entirety of staking cycle 92 to implement the upgrade, after which the core developers will select the final hard fork block, and the full implementation of Nakamoto consensus rules will be in effect. One stacking cycle lasts 2,100 Bitcoin blocks, which takes roughly 2 weeks. So the activation window has begun. Good news, guys. Good news, guys. Still 2 weeks for this to implement. I think this is good news because I want this to be fully live right around the time when Bitcoin takes off again. And 2 weeks from now could be a good time for that to happen. Could be a good time for that to happen. Timing of it could be impeccable. I think this is going to be huge, guys. Amid Wednesday's code distribution, the price of the token is down 11%. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Fine. The decline appears to reflect both the broader crypto market losses plus, you know, the dip off the announcement. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Exactly as we predicted, right? That's what everybody says in crypto now. Christian Kosi says, thanks for your crow videos and videos, bro, and your videos about the crypto market. Hey, we're going to keep them coming, Christian. I appreciate you. Go, Vov. Go in the chat says dump to 50K. Skywalker says, what are your thoughts on Oscar pushing for Mary to get listed on CDC? Will you be supporting the Mary community movement? Oh, man, Skywalker, I'm a huge supporter of the Mary community movement. I am maybe a whale. Could be a whale. Am I a whale of Mary tokens? You can check my wallet. I got a lot of Mary tokens. So yeah, I'm bullish on Mary. I want it to get listed. I do support the movement. I love the Cronos community, and I think that the Cronos ecosystem is going to have its best bull market ever. And I think Mary's going to capitalize on that, and I think Crow with Knife's going to capitalize on that. And Crow with Knife is a trading competition going on right now on crypto.com exchange, which is super cool, along with some of the other bigger coins out there, like this Ton coin, dog, whatever this coin is, dogs, right? So many dog coins out there, hard to keep track of. But yeah, I feel good about it. But anyway, today is a big day for Bitcoin. And I think that people are going to be using Bitcoin's network, specifically the Stacks Layer 2 solution, in a similar way that they've been using Solana in this bull market. Like degen mania, having fun, trading coins, super easy to use. I think more developers are going to come along. I think it's going to be huge. Frank Villalobos in the chat. Frank, you know, man, I'm really disappointed in you, man. You're always late. Why'd you even come, Frank? I'm just kidding. Welcome. Good to have you, dude. Welcome. Legacy Legend, Blessing Crypto Kips community. It's one of the best ones with Austin and Zach. Yeah, you know what? We do like Austin and Zach and Oscar. I like them a lot. They were super, super kind to me in Black Sea when we came down to Austin, Texas. Super nice guys. I like them quite a bit. Very nice guys. Good, down-to-earth crypto YouTubers. No ego. No ego. I love that. I don't like the ego things. No ego out of those guys. I love them. Super down to earth. Shout out to them. Bitcoin Magazine. 10 years ago today, Hal Finney passed away. For those of you guys that don't know who Hal Finney is, well, I think it's a very interesting story. So again, today is the Nakamoto upgrade, right? And a boom, blaze of music with a $2 super chat. I appreciate it. Got me 4,000 Alex Labs tokens. Shout out to you. Thank you for your super chat. A lot of super chats this week. That makes me think you guys have been making money and just DCAing in, taking advantage of these dips, feeling good. Super chats come when the market's doing well or when market participants are doing well. And when people are happy. So I'm glad you're happy, Blaze. I appreciate you. Good. Thank you for that super chat, brother. Yeah, good buy on that dip for Alex Labs. Coming back with a vengeance, it looks like right now. Let's see how that trajectory goes. But interesting story today. Hal Finney passed away. Who the heck is Hal Finney? Hal Finney was the recipient of the first ever Bitcoin transaction, receiving 10 BTC from Satoshi Nakamoto. And today, we are all running Bitcoin. This is posted by Bitcoin Magazine. I think it's very interesting. The first ever Bitcoin transaction recipient passing away on the day that the Bitcoin network stacks begins rollout to boost this chain. Boost Bitcoin, bring DeFi to Bitcoin. I don't know. Maybe you believe in coincidences. Maybe you don't. I don't. I think it's fate. I think as the passing of this guard goes away, we're moving into the next era of Bitcoin, and it shows you how long we've been here. Oh, excuse me, 10 years ago today. This wasn't today. 10 years ago today. Anyway, interesting story. Interesting story. Wow, I got to learn how to read. 10 years ago today, Hal Finney passed away. But anyway, today is a historic day for Bitcoin with this Nakamoto upgrade. Super excited for this. And with that, I've filtered this one to the 7-day volume. A lot of trading volume going on right now for Alex Labs token. Shout out to Blaze Music. Right now, your coin, Alex Labs, that you're holding right now, Blaze, 7-day volume, 1.63 million. That's pretty decent. That's pretty decent. $11 million with liquidity. Of course, this is only on one platform, right on the Alex Labs platform, where it has most of the stacks, economies, liquidity, and trading volume. The fourth most traded token in terms of trading volume over the last 7 days is Welsh, with 568K being traded over the last 7 days. And so I think that, what we're going to see here is with this Nakamoto upgrade, once the transactions times come down to under 4 seconds, Welsh is going to rip, Alex Labs is going to rip, a lot of these other crazy, ridiculous tokens are going to rip. Look at the last 30 days, guys. Look at these coins that are up over the last 7 days. 200%, 60%, 70%. A lot of coins are up 35, 50, 100% over the last 7 days. Some are up big today over the last 7 days alone. Here you go. You got Mojo. I don't even know what that is. Goat Stacks. I don't really know that one too well. I kind of fell off on because the Stacks ecosystem was cool, calm, collect, quiet. I fell off. I stopped getting in there. Time to get back, I think, though. Look at these other ones. Pepe's up 43%. I had that. I actually don't have any Pepe on Stacks anymore. Kind of wish I did. Oops. Should have held that one. But I'm going to hold my Welsh. I'm going to hold my Welsh because Welsh is also up big, 23% over the last 7 days. Biggest market cap meme in Stacks. I think it's going to remain that. I think it's going to be the biggest one. I think it's going to be the first billion-dollar meme coin in the Stacks ecosystem. I'm confident in that. Am I right about that? I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. I'm a speculator just like you guys, reporting the crypto news day to day. And I'll keep doing that. But yeah, there was a very cool little town hall from a lot of the people within the Stacks ecosystem today. I highly recommend you guys check it out. I have not yet. I will be listening to that later today as I'm doing my dishes, doing some chores, giving Mrs. Crypto Kip, who's 9 months pregnant, a break. I'll probably be listening to this one and seeing, how that's going. Checking that out, but you should check it out. Learn as much as you can about Stacks because it's the new DeFi frontier on top of Bitcoin. It's pretty cool. But yes, Telegram founder going to court. Excuse me, I got the hiccups. Keep an eye on that case. Another breaking news story for you guys today. I want to share with you guys just in SEC issues. Wells notice, look at that. The SEC going after more legal battles and now going after OpenSea. I think we've seen, boom shakalaka, I think we've seen the SEC attack OpenSea before, but we're seeing it again. There's Gary the Gensler Genzi being a loser. I don't like Gary Gensler. Sorry. I'm getting angrier. I'm becoming an angry person. No, I'm not. But I don't like Gary Gensler. Citing NFTs on the platform are securities. Maybe they are, maybe they aren't. We'll see how this case pans out. I don't love NFTs, but I do have a giveaway coming for NFTs. So let's talk about that really quick. We're doing a giveaway, and the members get more of a chance for this giveaway. So if you're a member on our channel, you have more of a chance. But all you had to do to enter the giveaway was retweet the tweet, follow us at the Crypto Report, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And when we hit 25,000 subscribers, think about this, guys. We put this tweet out December of 2022. This giveaway has been waiting for a year, almost 2 years we've been waiting to do this giveaway, and today is the day. We're giving away a loaded lion. We're giving away a loaded lion. This is the lion right here. I think it's worth like $600. So maybe you want to hold it. Maybe you want it. Maybe you want to take that lion and maybe you want to sell it. That's up to whoever out there wins this giveaway. We're going to be doing the giveaway soon. Got to figure out how we're going to make this happen, but we're doing it this week, so it's coming. It's coming, guys. Get ready. Get ready. And what we might have to do is, I don't know. I got to figure something out with this. This is going to be tough, but we're going to figure this out. I want to make sure the members get their bang for their buck, so we got to figure this out. There's a good chance that somebody like John, I think Benny Blue Eyes might be our longest standing member. It's a good chance that Benny Blue Eyes might win because he's got like something like probably like 300 entries at that point. He's been a member for a long time. Servando Estrada says, baby coming soon, Kip. You ready? I am ready. I'm so ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? I can't wait to have a little baby girl. Very excited. But get ready. We're doing the giveaway. Yeah, Benny's looking good for this giveaway. He's looking really good for this giveaway. So we'll see if he actually ends up winning it. He'll have a lot of entries, at least. So good luck. Good luck to all you out there. But here we go. So Bitcoin today, you know, $59,000. Let's refresh the page. We did a video on this coin recently, this Nero coin. It's up 68% today. We did a video on that recently. That was a sponsored video, by the way. Black Sea did it. Just because we do a sponsored video, guys, does not mean that the coin's not going to do well. And I think a lot of people feel that way. But you got to keep an eye out. Oh, whoa, look at this. Trending. Dogs, Welsh, and Nero. Dogs I haven't really talked about, I'll admit. Today we talked about it. But Welsh we've been talking about a ton. And Nero we talked about in one video. That was a sponsored video. So, yeah. Lucky says, I want it. I need it. I need to evolve. I love it. All right, guys, let's do a little Q&A. Let's hang out a little bit. See how everybody's feeling. I got a big meeting later today. Big pitch with a new potential client coming out later today. So, sales are coming together. I sell insurance by day and do crypto at night, or vice versa, or whatever. I do them both. Blaza says, check out the Soul Chat. I'll check it out. Thanks, Blaza. Blaza, are you in the private Discord? Because you're not. It doesn't show that you're a member. Interesting. Hey, it's Summers. Just became a supporter. Oh, he wants in on the giveaway. There you go. It's Summers. Boom. Welcome. It's Summers. Get in the private Discord, brother. We'd love to have you. You've been a legend. You've been in all these live streams. You've been hanging out. I love it. John316 says, I am Touchgrass. You are Touchgrass, John. Killer Dragon says, hopefully Draggy will pump. What is Draggy? I don't even know what Draggy is. Anyway, Stacks is down today. Buy the rumor, sell the news, unfortunately. However, Welsh is hanging in there. Welsh is hanging in there on the Nakamoto activation day. We got 2 weeks before this upgrade really kicks in. And we get these transaction times down to 4 seconds. Yeah, you gotta hop in, Blazer. Gotta hop in. You don't have to. I mean, to become a supporter, you gotta pay like $5 a month. But what that does is that supports us in our YouTube journey, bringing content to you guys daily. And you get access to the private Discord where you can just talk with all the Crypto Report supporters. Admittedly, I gotta be more active in that chat. I'll just straight up tell you guys. But I'm also trying to pump out 4 videos a day. Black Sea's more active. He's got 1 video. I've got 4 videos. So Black Sea's more active in that chat than me because I'm grinding on the content a little bit. More, just a little bit more. But we're both grinding every day, talking about crypto. He's been very active on Twitter, very active in the Discord, killing it on the videos. And we've just been pumping out content. So I try to get in there. But Black Sea's definitely in there very frequently. Doing a great job keeping up with the community. And we want to do that. Can you go over Crow? I could use it. Yeah, we can go over Crow, brother. Let's go over Crow. First of all, Crow versus BTC. It was looking sketchy for a minute. Weekly candles turn around slightly. I do think that we hit the low. So good news is I don't think that Bitcoin is going to outperform Crow for much longer. So that's good news. Now, as your Crow versus $1, I heard you earlier, I think in the chat you were asking, is it going to go below 8 cents? It might come back down to the 6 cent level. So just be cautious, you know. Just be very, very cautious for this. Young Eldor says Stacks is going to 100x. I'm ready for that, brother. If that happens, that'd be great. That'd be great. It could happen. It could happen. But in the meantime, I'm going to say that that Crow coin's probably due to find a floor here. The only consideration you have to have, brother, is if Bitcoin comes down to 52, Crow could come down to the 6.7 cent level. Yeah, it's Summers private Discord. So if you don't use Discord, it's Summers. Get Discord on your phone, on your computer, wherever you like to use it. And all you have to do is in your Discord account, you go to settings and link accounts and link your YouTube to your Discord. And then you'll get to join. You'll automatically be a part of our private Discord. That's how that works. So there you go. Glad to have you, man. Glad to have you. Thanks for support. Appreciate you. You've been here for a long time. See, you're always like the first one in the live streams lately. Killing it. John 316, you're always there too, brother. A lot of you guys are regulars. Blaza, you've been around. Legacy Legendman, you seem to make it a lot. Christian, I've seen you around. Frank Villalobos has been a pretty frequent flyer in the chat. Skywalker, you've been here lately. Servando Estrada, always popping in. Always popping in. Killer Dragon, Buff Link. A lot of names that I recognize. I know you guys. I know you. Terry C, seen you. And Samanth. Can't forget Samanth. You've been around as well. Yeah, you've been around for a while as well. Appreciate you, Jake. Thanks for hopping in. Seen you around as well. Good to have you. Young Eldor. Don't know that one as much. Maybe I've seen you once or twice. Young Eldor. Young Eldor. I don't know why I said it like Gandalf, but it just felt right. It just felt right. All right, guys. Well, that is all I have for you in this one. We got through some of the news. We hung out a little bit. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to join us on a live stream. Trying to do these things around 30 minutes. If there's more news and we can hang out longer, I will. But I think we'll be having longer live streams when the Bitcoin bull market's kicking into high gear and we're pumping to the moon. Christian Cozy, appreciate the analysis. Always, man. Just trying to settle the fears. Yeah, I mean, look, it's crypto can be scary, but it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be. Just know we got 4-year cycles historically. Nothing's changed about those 4-year cycles. Total market cap needs to break to new highs, and I'm just here for it. We're waiting on it. That's all I have for you guys in this one. If you want to sign up for Blowfin using our link pinned in the comment section, it's a great leverage trading platform. When you deposit $2,000, you get $300 to trade for free. So check it out. If you want to become a member like It Summers and like the other legends in the chat, you can do so. Access our private Discord when you link your Discord to your YouTube account and you are a member on our YouTube channel. Appreciate your super chat earlier, Blaza. That's all I got in this one, guys. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Do me a favor. On the way out, smash a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. We'll keep the content coming. And let's get ready for that pump, y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.